Making money on HackerOne involves participating in bug bounty programs where security researchers are rewarded for discovering vulnerabilities in software or systems. Here's how you can start. Sign up as a hacker. To begin, create an account on HackerOne as a hacker. Once registered, you can gain access to a variety of bug bounty programs offered by major companies looking to secure their systems. Browse available programs. HackerOne offers many programs across different industries, from tech companies to government agencies. Browse the available programs and their scope to understand what kinds of vulnerabilities they are seeking to be reported. Some programs are public, while others may require an invitation or approval. Identify vulnerabilities. As a security researcher, you search for bugs and vulnerabilities in the software, website, or application of a company. The most common bugs include cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and other security loopholes. Once identified, you document your findings. Submit bug reports. If you find a bug, you report it through HackerOne's platform. If the vulnerability is valid, the company will reward you with a monetary bounty. The rewards can vary significantly, depending on the severity of the bug. Earn money. Successful bug reports can earn you cash rewards, and in some cases, recognition from companies for your contribution to improving security.